First one. Kenya were winning against Legon Cities, and it was expected that they do their job against Legon Cities because Rich and now can Legon City share. It would have meant that Nipa Omni Preno should lose about 3 or 2 games for Omu Legon Cities to win all of them match and sound or match in the league in him. So it was not going to happen. And I knew I was going to be a gamer, not Nations FC Ebeshe. Now, the only game a Nations ain't me share in the last 6 games now was our game Omoko away to go and play against Brekum Chelsea. That was the only one. But they've been very consistent in the last few matches. But Rich, league in Nations in G League, and I'm saying this because me family fixtures now. I can Nations 3 matches. About Samatex Ewufi. About Holy Stars Ewufi. No about Accra Heart of Lions. Now, what Nations for are forgetting is that Accra Heart of Lions, Bando Heart of Lions can win the league.
Maybe. Also, almost 3 matches.
About Samatex.
About 2.
Yeah. Ewufi.
Samatex game no.
About 2 Ewufi. Yes.
Samatex game no.
Yes. About Samatex. Any problem? Holy Stars.
Basake.
Yeah.
And also home.
Or about Basake Holy Stars Ewufi.
And also
about Basake Holy Stars away from home.
Okay.
Basake Holy Stars at the 14th position. Or you're just 2 points off Accra Lions relegation conversation. It's a very, very tough game to go away to Basake Holy Stars for Nations to go and win. Now, many problem with Basake Holy Stars, and I'll tell you why. Many problem with Nations going away to go and beat Basake Holy Stars because in Ghana Premier League, say open away team or go away or born home or Empire Nations. Into your Basake or betting Yashena. Now, my problem is with the Bando Heart of Lions teams now. Nations FC need bet Nefi Abono. That is my problem. Because also overall table, now Nations said that 57 points, BBN 56, Heart of Lions 54. Until before then, a lot could have happened. But I'm saying, say, tentatively, Efani said BBR Kototin will be at the same point. The Accra Heart of Lions game on in the backbone, can be a big deal. Yeah.
Heart of Lions throughout the season. Are they great travelers?
No, I'm good travelers. But Lagos City is so in the last few games at home, Nations, and you two good of Fienti make us our based on
game our office or machine.
Yes, our supporters now. In fact, I think that the Ghana Premier League for the very first time in a long time record down to the wire. And many are Japan
last round of matches
yes, record down to the wire because in relegation in deciding way. Who say Edumrebion? You could predict the teams that will go on relegation and your Belgian league easily. Those speculations could come. But it is hard. Rich, let's look at the conversation around BBN Gold Stars. BBN in the last 5 matches, more than 6 matches, well, listen 2 uniform. When they were winning, a move 4. And in all of that, no ocean fixtures aka Obebo Asante Kotoko, like Nations for Nekano, that is a good advantage for them. Because Omubako ever drop you off. Say Kotoko obe out of the conversation. Say BBN Gold Stars they will drop off more versus Nations for. But they will go away to Brekum Chelsea. Rich in the last few games. Brekum Chelsea seemed to be solidified on home ground. I was very surprised. Emaulu were solitary goal. No, Emma was agree no for Accra to folk away at Brekum Chelsea. But it's a place where BBN Gold Stars they need to be very careful because the game is not decided. Then BBN Gold Stars essence were another relegation threatening team in Accra Lions on the last day. Dance pack. But that one, I'm very confident for BBN because they're a dance pack. And Accra Lions team, relatively young boys. A bully not in the wrong way, and I say in the illegal way, but a ding. 3 points left your Monsem, and that is what I'm saying. Say the league will go down to the wire. Rich, that is with BBN Gold Stars. Now for Accra Heart of Lions. Accra Heart of Lions, Ebebo against Young Apostles. My next game, no. Omoko away, Wenchi. Akakobo team, my friend, with Young Apostles. Now, Young Apostles is a relegation threatening team. 37 points. Richardo. Then, Obo Young Apostles, yeah. Ono Accra Heart of Lions, no. Eba Sanso, Tinefi. No about Bechem United. Rich after Bechem United, they play Nations FC. Inti Obia or in the league contention, our relegation team bakobo. And Omun also sounds warm hombo. Heart of Lions, Ebebo Nations, Kotokobebo BBN, your friend is saying they are all playing amongst themselves. Baseke Holy Stars, Ediewum, BBN Gold Stars, a very, very tough game that they have to play in there. Then I'll end it at Kumanza Santi Kotoko Rich. Truth be told, I didn't expect, say, and I didn't talk about Kotoko. Me share Kotoko in a very long time, but for this weekend, which me share Samba O'Neill in the number 6 position. I felt that maybe Dreams, your friend is a Kotoko coach and Zito, Rich, he deserves a lot of credit for the profiling of the Kotoko players. I didn't expect him to profile and then bring Samba to number 6. When he say Obiaba Kotoko, the profile and the similar profile is Blay as 6. But profiling to play Samba, you see, a different to play as a number 6 and as a centre back. Number 6, I saw we are more engaging of the ball. But over as a centre back, you wait for the ball to come most times and then clear your lines. Which I think that was a master stroke against him, and I need to give him that credit. But Kotoko also in the last few games, yes, Omona in the top of teams that are competing for league, no form. But then again, because of the upturn of form in recent times, you give them credit. Omebo beginning Gold Stars in the next game. Because of how Karim Zito has profiled the Kotoko players in recent times, I won't be surprised if they pull an upset of beginning. Yeah, me not surprised. Can reach me this, Kotoko were very tough games. Omebo Mediema, it's a game where I think Kotoko can still get something out of it. Then Obesa will vision away from home. That for me, the banana skin game, and that is why I think Kotoko cannot win the Ghana Premier League because of the final game against league. Very, very difficult.
League need so now Nations and then Gold Stars.
For me, I think it comes from Nations, Gold Stars, and Hearts of Lions.
Lions.
No, I mean, and it's not just based on Lions, but based on how our games the way will be able relegation team it will go down to the final day.
What's the Lions into me?
No. Me the league in the store now. If you say Gold Stars Nations, Beje. Kotoko Nations, Kotoko Lions, or maybe you don't know, but Emfa. No credit that one. Omun league now.
I think maybe a league never be do no Rich. Nations FCC League.
Okay.
They should just win it. Kotokoni baby any Gold Stars. A game a be a bit messy was a game. But Rich, I think say baby any Gold Stars lost the league to Nations is when Omotin and Fima Carrera ever show more than and say Nations Esa Emma baby any a second chance at this league. Ebe mo baby any Gold Stars ebo Kotoko oya abesa ko brekum and say about Aka Lions Rich. The most difficult game for Nations Aka against Baseke Holy Stars.
Oui.
And Nations are the best away side in the league. And see, and the Nations won't go. Kotoko can beat baby any Gold Stars or dance back. But Rich, didn't you mean for Kotoko conversation? I want to say, if even Kotoko win or win games, I can in Ampa. Their destiny is not in their own hands unless Obi Lusu. Ansana Kotoko timi aje league. And Rich, se Kotoko po etimi ko shebe bi any Gold Stars. It becomes advantage for Nations. More than even Kotoko nangaze mumpo. Rich, I am not being biased, but as a journalist, me ye medwuma wo Kumasi. I will want to see both Champions League and Confederations Cup in Kumasi.
Ti FA Cup no kotoko behye. No represent wo Confederation. The nations are the league no Champions League.
Yes. Nti see e ko baba ya ni. Ye ko Sunday we ko nations for Champions League na. The following week ni akọ kotoko in the Confederations Cup. Which it's an exciting time to be in Kumasi. And yet you yourself play other colleagues from other region. Look, we've won the double in the region. You have to visit us if you want to watch African football. Rich, Masem, I don't know.
Okay. Eventually, I'm going to see Anna.
Bema wo Johnson ni mu pai ebikam eyawo eni moja edi akira ana wo tempampan e wo Johnson n'achi ensansa gu bema no ho adura ebeboa wo eni amuzupi oba oba mu no wo tempampan bo na e wo nsuo bi fifiri ba etoda emu ekeka wo adura ebeboa wonim de sawa ya